ready to turn your design dreams into a pixel-perfect reality. Let's transform that static wireframe into a dynamic website using the power of Wix Studio. First, fire up Wix Studio and start a new project. Choose the blank canvas option to have complete creative control and precisely match your wireframe design. Import your wireframe as an image and place it on the canvas. Use Wix Studio's grid system and rulers to establish a precise and accurate layout based on your wireframe dimensions. Now, let's start building text elements, carefully matching the fonts, sizes, and colors defined in your wireframe. The design panel on the right will be your best friend here. Next, add image placeholders for the visuals. Where you have them on your wireframe, you can easily upload your own images or browse the Wix Studio Media Library for free assets. Here's where the magic happens. Bring your website to life by adding interactive features. In the top right corner, you will find the Interact panel. You will be able to add button hover effects, scroll animations, and other engaging touches to replicate the intended user experience of your wireframe. Responsive design is key. Click on the device icons to view your website on different screen sizes, adjusting the layout and element placement to ensure it looks perfect on every device. Finally, preview your website to make sure things are working as intended. Then hit that publish button to share your beautiful new website with the world. Your wireframe has now transformed into a fully functional website thanks to Wix Studio.